So how can you install a double apps of on your Android phone? And let's get into it. So naturally, this is a great feature because a lot of people need like two instances of the same app, but unfortunately, we don't really just download it again from the Google Play Store, right? It doesn't work that way. However, there is a settings menu or a feature built in. So if you open up settings and find the advanced features, you can find what's called uh, like a feature called the dual messenger menu, right? So when you click on this, you can already see a little description there of what it does, but this is a way of duplicating some social media apps. So I can see a list of the available apps. In my case, it's WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, and the Messenger. So I have like one WhatsApp app, like one instance of the app, but what I can do is go in here back to the settings and enable it. And when I do, it's going to ask me to install a copy of that app, meaning that I will have it like twice. And you can see it's turned on, and we also have a little icon right there. And now I have this same WhatsApp that I had before, but also another one at the end of my apps list. And it does in fact behave as a completely separate entity, right? So it is just another application of WhatsApp. When I get inside, I have to start from scratch and choose a language, accept the terms, manage notifications, sign in with my phone number, and all of the things which I would do if I never used WhatsApp before. So it really is like a separate, completely unrelated instance of the app. So that's how it works. As you can see, it applies to multiple other apps as well, right? So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it this way. Most definitely subscribe for more guides and videos similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.